Hey everybody, it is Jim with Ahh-some, and today I decided to use a competitor's product to do my monthly purge on my jetted tub. Now, I am not in the business of slamming other people, especially our competitors, but I do feel that I owe it to myself and everybody to actually try out their products. So I purchased the product, and I've got it into my hot tub at the required dosage, and this has been running for about 5 minutes now. As you can see, I am getting some foam, but at this point I'm not seeing much of anything on the foam. Now it could be that I've got an extremely clean tub, which I know I do have because I do this every month. But I've never done this on a monthly basis where I didn't get something out. And at this point in time, I'm gonna turn on a light. I'm not seeing anything. There's nothing there. Nothing on the foam. And normally I'll see it accumulate right down there and along this wall. And there's just nothing right now. Kind of looks like there's a brown scum line there, but there's not. I'll turn the jets off here for a second. Just to kind of let this foam settle down. There is a much stronger odor than I'm normally used to. But after, well, I guess I started this 2 minutes ago, so it's been running for about 7 minutes. And there's just nothing. Maybe a little bit right there, but not a whole lot of anything. All right, well, I'm supposed to let this run for longer, so I'm gonna let this run for the 20 minutes or so, and we'll come back and see what we have. All right, so I've let this run for a little over 20 minutes. I just pulled the plug, and it's starting to drain. Lots of foam. It's starting to dissipate pretty quick though. But one of the things that I want to see is gunk. This product is designed to pull gunk from the lines of a tub, and I'm not seeing any. And this is kind of disappointing. Again, I'm not going to mention the product that I used or the brand that I used, because I'm just not that kind of person. But I wanted to try it out because a lot of you purchase this product with the goal of cleaning the lines. Now, there's two schools of thought. That either my lines are 100% perfectly clean, which is the reason why nothing came out, because I'm seeing absolutely nothing. No scum line, nothing on the foam. So either everything is perfect, or it just simply didn't work out well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this drain. I've got nothing to wipe down. I'm going to refill the tub. I'm going to run it again with nothing in it to release whatever remnants of the product are left in the tub. I'll drain that. Then I'm going to refill it, and I'm going to run our Ahh-some jetted tub cleaner through it just to see. So this was an interesting test. I was really expecting to see something come out. This product is sold as a line cleaner. And if my lines are 100% clean, good deal. But we shall find out. So I'm going to let this finish draining. I'm going to rinse it, refill it, let the jets run for about 5 minutes to get everything out, drain it again, refill it, and then I'll run Ahh-some through it. So we'll be back. Bye. Okay, clean water refilled after running the first purge with the competitor's product. So now we're going to go ahead and turn these jets on just to kind of clean the lines out, make sure we got everything that was in those lines with the other product out. I'm going to let this run for a good 5 minutes and then drain the water, and then we'll go ahead and refill it, and we'll do another purge with the Ahh-some jetted tub cleaner. So, I don't see any foaming yet, so. But it's still a good idea when you're going to run 2 different products too, just to make sure everything is out of those lines. So we'll still let it run for about 5 minutes. Okay, we'll see you in a little bit. All right, so we did the first purge with the competitor's product. Nothing came out. I then drained the tub, refilled the tub, let the jets run for about 5 minutes, then drained the tub again, and now I've got it refilled. So now what we're going to do is we are going to run the Ahh-some jetted tub plumbing cleaner. Now I'm going to use the liquid today. You can also use the gel, totally fine, but I'm going to use the liquid. The reason I'm going to use the liquid is because I'm just going to use cold water. I've already refilled this tub now 3 times, so I didn't want to use hot water again. So we're going to use the liquid stuff. And what we want to do, and it's hard to do this with one hand, but I'm going to do my best. We're going to just, whoop, and that's not going to work. So here's what we got to do here. I've got to figure out a way to do this one-handed without spilling it. So maybe I'll just come down here to the edge. Yeah, right there. Okay, so we're just going to put, so there's 1 cap. Just drop that right in. We're going to do 4 capfuls. 2. And you just simply pour. Ooh, spilled a little. 3. And 4. That's a little bit much. Okay. 4. Now I've got a little bit of a mess here. I'll just wipe up with the towel. Okay, so now that we got our 4 capfuls in there, we're going to turn the jets on right here. And we're going to let this run for 20 minutes. And we'll see if the tub really is clean or we get anything out. Not much to see here, so no point in hanging out with the video. So we'll just, again, let this run for 20 minutes. We shall be back. Bye-bye. All right, so we've been running the Ahh-some liquid jetted plumbing cleaner for about 10 minutes now. And I just popped back in here. Foam is good, not too much. It's pretty consistent there. And I am getting biofilm out of the lines. So the tub wasn't 100% clean on that first purge with the other product. And like I said in the first video, this is generally where I get my accumulation down here. Kind of hard to see. Not a whole lot there. There's a little bit. If I get it real close, you can kind of see it. A little bit there. My tub is pretty clean. I mean, I do this once a month anyway. But yeah, we're getting some stuff out. Not much. This is about what I expected. It's about what I normally get out on a monthly basis. Still good to do it. We're going to let it run for another good 10 minutes, and we'll be back. All right, so we've got, again, just a little over 20 minutes, about 21. We'll go ahead and turn the jets off so we can get a better idea of what came out. So this is pretty indicative of a tub that gets purged every month. Now, mind you, way back when I first got this house, we purged this tub 35 times before it got clean. But this is, you know, normally I do it on the first Sunday of every month, but I've had the time today, so I decided to purge my tub, and I'm gonna clean out my, or purge my washing machine and dishwasher as well. But you can see that we have stuff. There's gunk. So, the little beginning part, there's still some over there too. But this is a good amount for 1 month of not purging the tub. So this is just 4 capfuls of the Ahh-some jetted tub plumbing and jet cleaner. 16 uses per bottle. I believe, I think we're charging like $15.95 for this. So extremely economical to utilize in your jetted tub. I just wanted to answer a question as well that we've had some customers purchase this for their hot tubs. To answer your question, yes, this can be used for your hot tub. However, it is not economical for you because for a 400-gallon hot tub, you need to use it's a little over half, so about 2/3 of this bottle you have to use for one purge in your 400-gallon hot tub. If you've got more than 400 gallons, then you need to use even more. Now, if you've got a smaller hot tub, 220 to 300 gallons, sure. There's no reason why you couldn't use this. You can. It's still more economical to buy the gel, dollar cost averaging wise. Still far more inexpensive to use the gel for the hot tubs, if that's what you're going to do. And you can use the gel for your jetted bathtub too, just a half a teaspoon. But 4 capfuls, and this is what came out on my monthly cleaning. Again, just to recap, we did do a first purge with a competitor's product. Again, not going to name who they are. That's just not the way I do business. But it is a relatively common cleaner that's used out there. Then we drained that. There was nothing to wipe up because nothing came out. And then I refilled the tub, ran the jets for about 5 minutes to get rid of any additional product that was in there. Then I drained the tub again, refilled the tub, and then ran the 4 capfuls of Ahh-some through. And this is what we got. So I'm not going to bore you with the draining and cleaning. This is going to be pretty simple, just a wet rag, and we'll get this all wiped up. But nonetheless, just wanted to kind of show you there is a difference in products out there. That there is no doubt. So if you're going to spend the money on a line cleaner, I will always recommend Ahh-some. I've used most every other product out there. Some do work slightly better than others. The one I tried here today obviously didn't work at all. But I will give credit where credit is due when they do work. So some do work better than others, but none work as good as Ahh-some do. That's just a simple fact. And so, yeah, anyways, if you got any questions, as always, don't hesitate to reach out to us on our website at www.ahhsome.com. My cell phone number's on there, our business phone number's on there, our email addresses are on there. Feel free to chat with us when we're on there. But yeah, if you got questions, feel free to reach out. Have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.